Here we go, ABGO. It's getting marked down. It hit my trend line at 144. So we dropped right out of the gate. I'm waiting to get the final numbers. We could pop right off of that support and go back up. I'll put it on hold until we get the numbers. Here we go with the ABGO trader. Not only that, it's a 30-minute chart. Okay, that's what we have. And it's down $9.25. The conference call is getting underway. We will update you. The report wasn't bad. It was already baked in the cake, but we will resume once I get the conference call. Trader, as you can see on the 60-minute chart, how we spiked, hit the minute period, and then sold down to the bottom. Conference call is still underway. All right, trader, you can see that Broadcom is falling below the 150-day simple moving average in the after hours market, and we're down $12. We bought the 165 put. Let's take a look. They reported, and the 165s are the ones that we purchased. So that's these right here. We got hit at 1550. We're going to look at making $2,000 on the 165 put on ABGO as the stock goes down in value. We can see it right there. Okay, everybody. So hey, the report wasn't all that bad, but we told everybody that it was priced in. We hit resistance. That's what happens. You hit resistance and you sell down, and this is on a 60-minute chart, my friends. Once again, home to the trader. We called it before it was going to ask. Oh boy, we told our students are loving it because they can validate it. You should validate it.